Black water is also a punishment. We hear to this day that the British government punished those who participated in the freedom struggle with black water, but was it actually black water? The word black is derived from the Sanskrit word kal, which means time or death. The combination of black water is generally used in the subcontinent for a distant place. In political language, black water refers to the islands in the Indian Ocean where the British rulers deport prisoners. 780 miles south of Calcutta, these approximately 1,000 islands, large and small, were called Andaman and Nicobar. The Maliki name was Blair. These islands are full of mud, full of mosquitoes, snakes and countless pairs of fighting lizards. Tents were erected for the French, their companions, servants, and other staff, but the prisoners were left with huts and stable-like quarters, which had no floor and no essential equipment. It was a hut during the rains and during the taxes outside. The prisoners were forced to live in a state of constant thought and cruelty due to hard work all day long, suffering from torture. They were contented with the state of food, which made every prisoner yearn for death because death was the only way out of suffering. The Japanese landed on the Andaman Islands in March 1942. Cellular prisons were then used to house suspected Indian supporters of the British and later members of the Indian Independence League. The Japanese army killed and buried many Indian prisoners in pits on charges of spying for the British, and to compensate for the food shortage, 1,100 prisoners were shot and drowned at sea. In October 1945, the Japanese surrendered to the military forces and the islands were again under British control. The British abolished the penal colony on the 7th of October 1945 and transferred the prisoners to prisons in various parts of India. According to records, about 80,000 Indians were sent to the Andamans as punishment since 1860.